We divide 815 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 815 divided by 5 is 163. So this much for today and thanks for watching.